Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a no-sew scrunchie using just a basic hair tie, a round cylinder glass, and a strip of fabric, and a hot glue gun. Anytime you're working with hot glue, you want to be sure to be careful or let an adult do this for you because you do not want to get burned by this. It will blister you. So to start this craft, we're going to use just a mason jar that I had lying around. This strip of fabric is 21 inches by 4 inches wide. So you're gonna take your fabric and just kind of place it around here on your glass, pattern side to the cup. Take your hair tie and slip it over. And you want this in the middle of your fabric. So as you can see, it kind of looks a mess. You're gonna wanna pinch your fabric all the way around until you get this nice little crinkle. It's easier to start with your ends so you know where you're working. So if you just want to meet those ends together, you can start your scrunch. So once you get it to how you like, you're just gonna wanna fan that top part down and the bottom up. Starting with your ends, you wanna take your hot glue and just kind of glue those ends together so they don't come apart while you're working. And you're gonna do the exact same thing to the bottom here. So in order to make this fold, you're just gonna kind of pinch the seam here at the top and pinch the seam here at the bottom. And then you're gonna take your hot glue gun and run a little bead right through there and then press your seams together like that. And then you're just gonna do that all the way around the cup. So I've made it back around to my closure. You can see that it just kind of folds back into itself. So you're just gonna wanna close that up. Once you've done that, you should be able to just slip your scrunchie right off your cup. And there you have it. So now that we have our scrunchies complete, they should look a little like this. There are different things you can do to this. If you want to bedazzle it, you can add some gems, jewels, beads, anything you want. If it's not, then you can just leave it as is and rock your scrunchie however you want.